Let us talk about Oliver as for more. So, what is the story? Actually, Oliver's mother was about to die. She left the family and she was walking on the road. She was running for some time and she thought of taking some rest. And the people who belong to the workhouse, they have seen this lady lying on the road and she was sick and she was tired of running. And at that time, they thought of taking this lady to the workhouse and they brought her to the workhouse. And they wanted to make delivery for that woman. The doctor has come. The lady who can work for the Oliver's mother, okay, for delivery actually. So the doctor and the lady were talking about this lady's condition. And suddenly the lady was saying that, let me see the child face and die. The sentence really touched and moved the heart of the doctor. And the doctor was saying that this is not the age for you to talk about death. You are so young and you are about to see your baby and you are saying that you're gonna die after seeing the baby. Because the woman has already understood the physical condition and also the health issues of her body, and that is why she was saying that she was gonna die for sure after giving birth. Maybe she might have asked God for giving life to the delivery of a child. Doctor wanted to see just after the delivery of a baby, the woman is died. And Mr. Bumble, who is an in charge of that workhouse, has given a name Oliver for the baby who was born at that night. Why Oliver suddenly? Because these orphans were coming to the workhouse and they were born in the workhouse and they didn't have any parents and they were alone. They were found out by the people of the workhouse on the streets and roads. So that is why nobody has named them anything. Mr. Bumble takes the responsibility. Responsibility in the sense he is not concerned about anyone. He has to give a name, and that is why he had given some names for all the people, all the orphans in the workhouse, with a number, with the alphabetical order. Okay, that means first name starts with A, second name starts with a B. So that is how he is giving the names. And suddenly the Oliver has come, and he thought of giving a name for Oliver. And the earlier baby's name started with the N, and now it the turn of Oliver has to start with the O, and he thought of giving that name and he gave Oliver. Oliver Twist. Okay, Mr. Bumble is a villain of the story. And Oliver was born in the workhouse and he has gone through several problems and hardships during the childhood. He got a very terrible, very difficult, full of hardships and problematic situations in his childhood. The lady was died. The lady who gave birth to Oliver was died. That means the Oliver's mother was died. And the doctor wanted to know whether she was married or not. So he wanted to see the finger, a left hand of a lady for the ring finger. So he was checking for the ring and the ring was not there on the finger. Maybe she was thrown out of the family because she became pregnant and she had no partner who had to take the responsibility of the child, as that man made her pregnant. Okay, and the society can look down these kind of people and they can exploit and they can make fun of these people. And her father and the sister were gone away from the village as they were humiliated by the bad news that she became pregnant with someone who is not known to anyone. And she was gone from the family and she was running to the places. She has run for many places and she was tired and she was lying on the road and she was found out by the people of the workhouse, and the lady got died and they were searching for the ring and the ring was not there. That means she became pregnant without even getting married. That was the situation of Oliver's mother.